in Google Drive.
And then folder upload. Then navigate to the folder field and paste the path to the Recruits Biz subfolder. Then press enter once, press enter twice, then click on the upload button, and then select the upload option to keep both folders, and click yet upload for the 4th time.
What happened?
To upload the subfolder to Google Drive following your steps, do the following. 1. Navigate to your Google Drive in your web browser. 2. This is usually located on the left side of the screen. 3. Choose this option to upload an entire folder. 4. In the folder selection dialog, locate the field where you can enter the path. Paste the path to the Recruits Biz subfolder. 5. Press enter once to confirm the path. Press enter a second time to open the folder. 6. Once in the folder, click on the upload button to begin the upload process. 7. Ensure you select the option to keep both folders during the upload. 8. Click the Get Upload button for the 4th time to finalize the upload process. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, let me know.
I repeat it again since my dialog box is jerky. I'm doing it all over again. So I click the upload button again. Then I mark keep both folders again and click upload yet again and pray.
To repeat the upload process in Google Drive, follow these steps. 1. After the initial attempt, click the upload button again. 2. Ensure you choose the option to keep both folders during the upload process. 3. Confirm the upload by clicking the upload button once more. 4. Watch for any progress indicators or messages to ensure the upload completes successfully.
Maybe
If the
telling you
dialog
that in
box
the
is
background, you
unresponsive
may
or
have
jerky,
to
consider refreshing the
minimize some
page
of
or
these.
checking
Make them smaller.
your internet connection. If you encounter any issues, let me know for further assistance. Understood. If you have another topic or question you'd like to discuss, please let me know.
Now I just want to verify that I have made outbound calls and Google Voice recognizes it. So I click on the waffle yet again
Google Voice.
and scroll down to voice,
Where you see telephone, right there.
then click on voice, and I expect to see 2 outbound phone calls.
Right there, on the top.
And for some reason it calls it LeBron Cafe.
That's the name it gave it. Maybe
But
you get
whatever name they gave it is
it's
fine.
fine. It's the
The
same
main thing
number.
that I have 2 outbound calls and I complied with the Google account.
Requirements.
And now I want to go back to the warning and make sure that I delete it. So I want to type Google Voice,
Recruits.
Google
To
Voice
delete the
number,
warning in Google,
and make sure that this Google Voice message has been removed.
to verify and delete the Google Voice message, follow these steps. 1. Click on the waffle menu and select Voice to access your Google Voice account. 2. Confirm that you see the 2 outbound calls listed, even if they are labeled as LeBron Cafe. 3. Go to the Messages section within Google Voice. 4. Search for the specific Google Voice message you want to delete. 5. Select the message you want to remove. Look for the King icon or the delete option and click it to delete the message. 6. Ensure that the message has been successfully removed from your Google Voice. If you need further assistance with any of these steps, let me know.
Yeah, it seems like it is no longer there.
Okay.
The Recruits
What
starts with rum pum pum in no garbage, starts with Rick.
No, red.
Rec, R-E-C, which is 732.
Right.
And none of the current numbers
No.
is recruit.
Are you in the right? You
Just
want to be?
move
You
away, please.
don't
Thank
you
you.
want to be?
No,
You want to be in that
thank
record?
you. So I want to take the next number that will expire within 30 days, and I open it up,
And that took. Do you want to stop
and
that
this
one?
is 1X strategic. So I want to mark the cursor with this message.
To manage the Google Voice numbers and mark the cursor for the message, follow these steps. 1. Locate the next number that is set to expire within 30 days. 2. Click on the number to view its details. 3. If you want to highlight or mark the message associated with this number, you can do this by selecting the message or the text you want to highlight. If using a mouse, click and drag to highlight the text. 4. If you need to stop or manage this number, look for options to either disable or delete it, depending on your intention. If you need more specific instructions or have further questions, please let me know.
Yes, I copied the message and now I'm pasting the message into my notepad. And then I'm copying the account 1x strategic to the clipboard buffer.
To copy the message and account information into your notepad, follow these steps. 1. Highlight the message you want to copy. Right-click and select copy or use the keyboard shortcut to click on Windows or Command on Mac. 2. Launch your notepad application. 3. Click inside the notepad window. Right-click and select paste or use the keyboard shortcut to on Windows or Command on Mac to paste the message. 4. Highlight the account information X strategic. Right-click and select copy or use the appropriate keyboard shortcut. 5. Return to your notepad window. Click below the previously pasted message and paste the account information. If you need any further assistance, let me know.
Yes, so then I entered
The
1x strategic into the sign in a Google dialog box, and then I click next. Then I click next again. And then Google Voice comes back and says you are signed in. So then I click not now because I don't want to do anything else now but make an outbound call. And then I go to
make an outbound
the inbox.
Right.
To make an outbound call using Google Voice after signing in, follow these steps. 1. Ensure you are still in your Google Voice interface. 2. Look for the call button or icon typically located at the top of the page or in the sidebar. 3. Type in the phone number you wish to call. You can also select a contact if you have them saved. 4. Click on the call button to start the outbound call. 5. Follow any prompts that may appear and wait for the call to connect. If you need further assistance or
Now go
details
down
about
to
any of
voice.
these steps, let me know. If you have completed the outbound call, here are a few additional steps you might consider. 1. Once you finish your conversation, make sure to hang up by clicking the end call button. 2. Navigate to the calls section in Google Voice to review your call history and confirm that the call was logged. 3. If needed, you can adjust your call settings, such as voicemail preferences or call forwarding options. 4. If you are done using Google Voice, consider signing out for security purposes, especially on shared or public devices. If you have specific actions you want to take next or need more information, please let me know.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to OpenAI's terms and privacy policy. So, how can I help you today?
Tell me about vanity phone numbers.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you please repeat your question?
Yes, I want to know about outbound calls to vanity phone numbers.
Sure, I can help with that. Vanity phone numbers are customized numbers that often spell out a word or name, making them easier to remember. Companies use them to make their phone numbers more memorable, like 1-800-FLOWERS. Outbound calls to these numbers work the same way as dialing any other number. Did you want to know about something specific related to vanity numbers?
An hour.
So let's finish. Let me do it. If you don't
Okay.
want to do it, just walk away. Don't interrupt.
It turned off automatically. ChatGPT. It lasts only a minute.
It says five minutes.
Well, it wasn't 5 minutes.
Doesn't matter. It is enough.
Yeah.
I hope.
Yeah.
We'll
enough.
see if they give you another warning.
Right.
How do I know if the length of the call is sufficient for Google Voice to stop bothering me and asking me to make another outbound call?
How many minutes is that?
How many minutes does it have to be? And plus, it lists it as LeBron Cafe, and it has 5:40 p.m., which is the time, but doesn't say how many minutes it was.
None of them say how many minutes it was. Can you move here?
Please don't bother me.
None of them say how
Don't
many
worry
minutes.
about it. Let me work more myself without you.
It didn't say 5 minutes. It said that was the time of your call.
More trouble than you're worth. Thank you.
What are you doing?
Be quiet. Don't hurt. Don't hurt.
It never will tell you how long it is.
Don't worry about it.
You read it wrong.
Hi, it's ChatGPT. This call may be reviewed for safety. How can I help?
Please specify the topic or question you would like to discuss further. I'm here to provide clear and concise information.
Our question for
Great.
today.
What's on your mind today?
Our question for today is one strategic, a vanity phone number that spells a domain name and a URL, a domain name and a URL, and also a phone number that will call an AI chatbot, like 800 chat
So you're looking
GPT.
for a phone number that's spelled... Got it. You want a phone number that spells out ChatGPT or a related domain name. Let me check if there's one available.
She hung up. You understand?
Vanity phone numbers that spell out domain names or related phrases can be effective for branding. However, specific combinations like CH at TGPT may not be readily available due to existing trademarks or usage. For example, if you wanted a number like 1-800 checked, it would need to be checked for availability. To create a vanity number, 1. Identify a memorable phrase related to your service EG. 1-800 AI help. 2. Check with a phone service provider or vanity number registry for availability. 3. Ensure it aligns with your brand and isn't trademarked by another entity. If you need help finding a specific number or have more questions about this, let me know. If you have any further questions or need assistance with a specific topic, feel free to ask.
Now I have to complete my workflow of documenting what I did so I can monitor what Google Voice is doing. So I copied the clipboard buffer